All right, number 23. Number 23, basically, here's what's going on. It says graph and identify. So we're just going to stick this in a calculator, get some points, find all our zeros and our maxes and mins and all that good stuff, and we'll go from there. So let me switch over to the calculator mode real quick. All right, so I've got y equals, I want x cubed x to the third plus 5x squared. Oops. No, I'm just going to clear that and start over. X cubed, move over, plus 5x squared, plus 3x minus 2, plus 3x minus 2. Okay, so get it all in there. And I'm just going to hit graph so I get an idea of what it looks like. All right, cool. So first things first. So here's what I want to do. I'm going to get points from over here to over here. So we're going to get all the points that fit on the graph. So second table, and I'll scrub. I'll get the points that fit on my graph so I can graph both suckers. So I got these points right here. And hopefully you still got your calculator out, but I got, let's zoom in so I can write smaller. -5, -17, -4, -2, oh, probably +2, -3, 7, -2, 4, -1, -1, 0, -2, 1, 7, and 232, which obviously 232 doesn't fit on the graph. And then I can start graphing these things. -5, -17, -4, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, -4, 2, -3, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -2, 4, -1, -1, 0, -2, that came out even, 1, 7, wow, that's all the way up here again, and 232, that's off the map. So basically, if you recall, this thing goes all right, so there's that. Then it's asking zeros, maxes, and minimums. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back to our calculator. Oh, not what I wanted to do. Start this again. Yes, we're going to go back to our calculator. Hit the wrong button. Remote desktop. And we're going to start looking for maximums, minimums, and zeros. Okay, so remember your maximum. Well, this is a maximum, this is a minimum, and your zeros are right here, here, and here where you cross the x-axis. So let's start with the maximum. Second, calculate maximum. That's a 4. So here's a max. So I'm going to pick something to the left and something to the right. So like -4 is to the left. See how I picked that one right there? And -2 is to the right. -2, enter. All right, and then it says guess. Just hit enter again. And come on, -3, 7. Wow, right at -3, 7. So I got a max at -3, 7. So look over here. Got a max at -3, 7. Let's go back. Let's do the minimum. Second, calculate minimum. That's a 3 right there at minimum. So 3. And here's the minimum. So like -2 to 1, that would be a good break. So like -2 is a left bound. Hit -1. Well, -1 is to the left, so that's fine. And then let's hit 1 is to the right. Remember, we have to give it a range so it doesn't look forever. And there we go. It's at, did I ask for a maximum? Oh, it says guess. I didn't hit it again. And it's at -0.333, so -1/3 really, and -2.5. So -0.3 and -2.5. So here we go. So we got -0.3 and -2.5. That's its lowest point. All right, then the zeros. So once you get your maximum and minimums, we know where it's going up. So if it's going up from here to here, and it's going up from here to there. So this point is at when x is -3, and this point is when x is -0.3. So it's increasing from -infinity to -3, because that's where it's going up. And then it's also increasing from -0.3, because that's this point right here, to infinity. Cool. All right, what intervals is it decreasing? Well, we got to find interval decreasing, so it's right here. It's going down from here to here. That's where it's going down. So that's between -3 and -0.3. That's where it's going down. All right, so there you go. It's going, basically, if you just watch the graph, it's like riding a roller coaster. We're going up, we're going down, we're going back up again. Cool. Last but not least, the zeros. I'm trying to wrap this up as quick as I can. The zeros. All right, that's where does it cross the x-axis? So we're going to go second, calculate. Well, what do you think? 0, so 2. And we got to do it 3 times. So we got to do the, let's pick this one on the left. So left, -5 is on the left side of it. To the right of it is, say, -3. Guess. No sign change. Okay, let's hit enter and try it again. Second, calculate 0. Let's do -5. -4, -3, -2. Let's try -2. Enter. There it goes. For some reason it just didn't like it. So -4.10. There's one of them. Let's do the next one. -2 is on the left side, -1. So second, calculate 0. -2 is on the left side. -1 is on the right side. So guess it's at -1.2 and 0. All right, let's do this last one over here. It's between 0 and 1 somewhere. So second, calculate 0. Well, the left side is 0, and the right side is 1. I mean, I can pick anything so long as I only include that one. Guess. 0.40. Cool. So my zeros are, and I'm going to zoom in so I can write smaller. At -4.10, -1.20, and 0.40. Those are where my zeros, my x-intercepts are. Cool, enough.